guys, and welcome to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel. My name's Kemi, and today we are going to be playing with two new palettes from Makeup Obsession, the Love Is My Drugs palette and the In the Neon Jungle palettes. These palettes are so pretty. Look how stunning these palettes are, please. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two looks. I'm going to be using the Love Is My Drug palette to create a day look, which is this look right here, and I'm going to be using the In the Neon Jungle palette to create a night look for you guys. These two palettes are live right now on their website, but will be in store at Boots on the 5th of June. So before we jump into this video, if you are new to Makeup Obsession YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up liking this video as well. Comment down below what you think as well. I'm also going to be featuring a lot of Makeup Obsession's products in this video as well to create this whole full beat. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, I already done my brows off camera. Just to save some time, you guys can go in with the Makeup Obsession Brow Girls eyebrow pencil. I usually use the shade dark brown to fill in my brows. So we're going to start off with the skin first and then do our eyes later on. So I'm going to firstly go in my Makeup Obsession Ultra Blur Blurring Primer, and I'm going to use this to prime my skin. This makes my skin look super airbrushed and it feels really nice applying it as well. And then to lock that primer in place, what I like to do is go in with my Makeup Obsession Fit Fix Extreme Hold Setting Spray. So I'm just going to quickly apply my foundation off camera and then we'll be right back to finish off the skin. So to highlight my face today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Obsession Mega Concealer in the shade 16 and 15. So this is the shade 15 and this is shade 16. I'm going to go in with the shade 16 first. I like to use this as a corrector and then go in and blend it out. So next I'm going to go in with the Makeup Concealer in the shade 15 now. And I'm going to use this to highlight my face. And I'm just going to go in and blend that out. This concealer is super creamy and super full coverage. And then to contour my face today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Obsession Mega Concealer in the shade 18. It is so rich in colour and so dark. So now that we have a flawless base, next what we're going to do is set everything in place. So to set my highlighted areas, I am going to be using the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake baking powders, and I'm going to be using the shades Amber and Biscuit. I really like how these two look on me together. Like, it gives me like such a flawless like finish, so I like it. Like so. I personally can't bake for too long because I do have dry skin, so I'm just going to go in and dust off these powders now, and I have kept this on my face for about 30 seconds. As you guys can see, from me just leaving the powder on for about 20 to 30 seconds, you guys can see how nicely it set those concealers in place. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go with Makeup Obsession Game Set Powder, and I'm going to be using the shade Sahara. As you guys can see, it does look quite light right here, but once I do get it on my skin, it matches me perfectly. And I'm really going in, by the way. So for blush today, I am going to be using the Pinky Promise palette. I'm going to grab the shade Whisper, which is the shade right here. And now just to lock everything in place, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Obsession Fit Fix Extreme Hold Setting Spray again. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. You guys can see how nicely that setting powder just toned down everything and just made everything look flawless. Yes, honey, yes. Now the part that we've all been waiting for. So I'm going to be working with these two palettes in this video for you guys. So I'm going to be using the Love Is My Drug palette. I'm going to be using this to create a daytime look for you guys. And I'm going to be using the In the Neon Jungle to create a nighttime look for you guys. As you guys can see, these palettes are so stunning. So we're going to start with the Love Is My Drug palette first. So the first shade I'm going to start off with is Lust, which is this shade right here in the Love Is My Drug palette. We are just going to pat that right on our outer corners into our crease. There's no fallout on my face and there's no fallout in the pan as well, if you guys are wondering. So we are just using a packing motion right now. Grabbing the same Lust shade from the Love Is My Drug palette. I'm just going to slowly start blending out the edges. So I'm going to grab the shade Fixated, which is the shade right here. I'm going to use that as my transition colour. For my lid, I'm going to be using the shade Infatuation, which is the shade right here. Oh, so pretty. So next what we're going to do is go back in with the Lush shade and just use that to blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines. Now for our lower lash line, go back in with Lust again. We're just gonna pat that on our lower lash line. So this is like a very simple daytime eye look. So I'm just gonna quickly go in upon my lashes and I'll be right back. So next thing we're gonna do is highlight our face. So to highlight our face, I am gonna be using the Makeup Obsession Dedicated palette. I'm gonna first place Loyal, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna place that in my inner corners. Ooh. And then use it as well to highlight my face. The lip gloss I'll be wearing today is the Makeup Obsession lip gloss in the shade Hooked. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to go back in with my Makeup Obsession Fit Fix Extreme Hold Setting Spray. I'm going to show you guys how to turn this daytime look into a nighttime look. So now we're going to be working with the In the Neon Jungle palette, which looks so beautiful. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Amazonian. Next I'm going to go to the shade Tiger. I'm going to place that as our transition colour. So next for the lid, I'm going to grab the shade Monsoon. As you guys can see, these colours work so nicely on top of each other. Just adding a tad bit of black just to smoke out the edges. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Makeup Obsession lip gloss in the shade Everlasting to complete this look. Like so, and this is how you can easily convert a daytime look into a nighttime look. So this is the end of the tutorial. What do you guys think about these looks? Let us know down below in the comment section. You guys can purchase all the items I used in this video on Makeup Obsession's website, or you can shop at Boots to get your hands on their products. But do remember that In the Neon Jungle palette and Love Is My Drug palette are available online right now. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. My name is Kemi, and thank you so much to Makeup Obsession for allowing me to play with these gorgeous palettes today. And don't forget to subscribe down to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up liking this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.